Hey, what's going on everybody? Ryan Huggins here. Welcome to the channel. Today we have a great video coming to you for all of my real estate agents out there on a way to boost your income when it comes to real estate. So as you all know, as a real estate agent, we run into clients who are one, people who have poor credit, or two, there is negative things on their credit report and they should not be on there. And so a lot of times we try to work with these clients and we try to help them and teach them how to, send in the letter to the credit bureau and stuff like that. Well, I've been doing that for a long time and it is just a pain in the butt. So now I have a secret, super simple, easy to use method, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to introduce you to my business partner, Cornelius Jackson, and he's going to show us all about credit repair and why real estate agents need to have a credit repair system in place.
Real estate professionals, welcome to the new membership that will help launch your business to new heights. I'm going to explain, number one, how to add unqualified buyers to your pipeline until they become qualified buyers. Number two, how to add value to everyone you come in contact with by helping them achieve higher credit scores and lower interest rates by referring them to our program. Number three, how to add an additional source of income without changing your daily routine or conversation, and how to identify potential customers. Let's get into the product. Financial Education Services has been around since 2004. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and the company is debt-free, which is extremely important when you are teaching others credit restoration and financial literacy. What we do is leverage the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Based on that, we can dispute or investigate any inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items such as bankruptcies, tax liens, repossessions, foreclosures, student loans, or medical bills. It really doesn't matter what the negative item is, it can be removed. We obtain your client's credit profile, perform a detailed analysis, and whatever is negative is then disputed across all three credit bureaus simultaneously. The letters are mailed to your client. They sign them and attach their verification documents, then send the letters off. The credit bureaus have 30 days, max 45 to respond. The letters are sent to your clients because if they hired a third-party company to do this on their behalf, the credit bureau sees that as being a frivolous dispute. But when it comes from the client, the letters are honored. They go through with the dispute of the negative items on their credit report. Personally, being a real estate broker, I understand the need for this membership in the marketplace. However, if you're like myself, you're extremely busy and lack the time to write letters, go back and forth with the credit bureaus. By leveraging the FES membership, this opportunity makes perfect sense because we don't do any other work. All we do is refer our clients to the membership. It's a no-brainer. It allows us to now serve and help family, friends, and our unqualified buyer until they are mortgage ready. Your clients will also receive some additional services with our program: a will, trust, financial, and medical power of attorney. I offer this service to current homeowners to protect their asset and ensure their family's future is secure. LifeLock to protect their personal identity, a financial lockbox, Debt Zero to assist them in paying off any outstanding debt, credit monitoring, access to a credit attorney, Family Mint, plus 6 additional services. All the services that I have just mentioned are $89 per month. There is a one-time $99 activation fee, so up front, your client will pay $188 to get started, $89 a month. The sooner they act, the sooner the process can begin. As a credit broker, it's only $288 to get started and $89 a month. You get access to all the services I just mentioned, plus $100,000 of life insurance with no medical exam. As a broker, once you enroll 5 clients and/or agents into the program, your monthly fee is now waived and you can enjoy the services for free. You will earn $100 for every client you enroll into the program. For every agent that joins your team, once they acquire 2 customers, you will earn anywhere between $100 to $550. The company pays weekly via direct deposit or check. If you prefer to be a referral partner, ask the person that sent you this video to set you up with a referral link. This will allow you to refer customers and track their progress 24/7 and let you know exactly when they are mortgage ready. Otherwise, enroll today to start protecting your financial future and keeping your family secure. But most of all, gain a new tool to better serve your clients and community. If you have any other questions, please get back to the person who shared this video with you. Otherwise, hit enroll now.
All right, so there you go. So as you saw, Cornelius explained to you why you should have your own credit repair brokerage, or if not, just be a credit repair agent so you can maximize your income. Use that money also, for leads or whatever the case may be for yourself. But I just wanted to show that to you. There is a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link to become an agent today. And then also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.